Okay, today is November 30th, 2024. I'll be backtesting 8 weeks worth of data from July 17th to July 21st. Today is Monday. We actually do have 8:30 news. Again, just like every backtesting video, I'll be backtesting an inversion model here. So 8:30 news did create data lows here, which just read folder news with an abnormal wick. So we'll go hop into the daily here, make sure we get previous day's highs, previous day's low, previous day's high, previous day's low, which was taken already, so we'll not be doing that. So our previous day's high, going to the 4-hour. We are trading inside a 4-hour right now. One just beneath it that I think was already filled, unless it wasn't. It was not. So we have an unfilled 4-hour. We're trading inside an unfilled. We're trading inside a 4-hour bullish for rally gap. We have an unfilled 4 beneath it. We have this hourly to not to open up, but we are coming to invert both of these 1 hours here. Both these 1 hours gets inverted, then we can see this unfold 1 hour. 30 minutes until that happens. So we'll quick check the sessions so we can get a daily profile going. Let's make sure we move these to 11, 11, and 11. Cool. All right, so did anything sponsor this London move higher? Nothing sponsored this London move higher. I want to be bearish back, obviously, to London lows were already taken. If they weren't, then I'd be bearish to London lows because nothing sponsored this move higher, I guess you could say, right? I mean, this is an order block that we tapped into. Maybe just a little bit of a harder read because London lows are already taken. Like Asian session saw previous days low sponsoring the move. So I think I want to see a continuation higher here. Yeah, a little harder of a daily profile, but I just want to see a continuation higher because Asia saw previous days low sponsoring them higher. So check the 15 here. We inverted this 15. We saw buy sell liquidity. We're trading inside of 15 now. I think it's a pretty easy condition. Whether or not we hold it or invert it. Going to the 1 minute here. Off the bat, it's already gonna look like there's good sell side targets here. Some equal lows here. Unfold 5 in the mix as well. Equal lows. Just keep checking here for some equal lows. The more the merrier. We still have that data low, which is a really strong drawing liquidity here. We have an unfilled 5. Good sell side targets here. So let's see how market opens. Market open treats us. Hopefully we don't dump. Straight to this data low here. Okay, let's see what market open does. Okay. A lot of time for this 15-minute, but it looks like we're gonna go for this unfold 1 hour. Keep pushing here. I don't want to watch ES here. Make sure it doesn't. No, ES doesn't have the 1 hour there, so okay. Tap in to that 1 minute bullish for value gap, which is getting us up. Okay, now we're delivering from this higher time frame for value gap, this 1 hour. I will mark this out. So to start off, right, of having like a continuation daily profile because Asian sponsored that move higher. Really good sell side targets and having this data low. But now we're trading from this higher time frame for value gap. So let's see if we can get something nice here. Those aren't equal lows, and just to make sure we don't. We have another unfilled 5 down here, and we'll pop into the 15, see if something's. So this to close. When this closes, we'll have an unfilled 15 here. All right, let's see how we react to this unfilled 1 hour. SMT at these highs here. SMT inside a higher time frame for value gap. The highest in this leg to this new unfilled 5, which we'll clone here. Highest time frame to this thing is this 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So I'll take this 1 minute if we can get a good candle close. Highest time frame in this leg, and SMT at the highs inside a higher time frame for value gap, which we're delivering from. And is it okay? I was like, is it just like that small? Cool, yeah. So I'll take this 1 minute if we can get a good close on it. Yeah. So pretty deep close here. I still like it. I still like it for shorts. All the confluences. For shorts that I like, I'll break even at the unfilled 5. So this will be a quicker break even here. Stops at the high of the SMT, targeting literally the data low here. If we can get a really nice flush on the next candle, then we should be good. But no, I'll take this short here. I really did wish we got a better close here, but this unfold 5 seems really good. So we'll risk 5 here, sell the market here. We're going to break even at the unfold 5 just beneath us here. So really hoping for just a flush through it. So there you go, and let's see how this plays out. Okay, so we're gonna go for a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 is just at like this. So at this second unfilled 5, I'll take a partial at, and this is like I think almost, yeah. So 1-to-2 here. Yeah, so I'll take profits at a 1-to-1 here. So hit that unfilled 5. We're gonna close off probably most of our position here because I think now it's an unfilled 15. Yeah, so we're trading inside this unfilled 15. Again, the data lows, so I'll take off most of my position here if it will let me. I don't know if it will. I don't know why it's not. Okay. Okay, I think that worked. Yeah, so we'll just take off half of our position there. Sorry, kind of just like bugged there. I don't know why, but final targets is data low and break even there. So TP1 break even, right? The lowest. How many ticks did we catch? We caught about 177 ticks here. But if you're in this, right, you're TP1ing, you're TP2ing. But yeah, I like the trade there. So winning trade there on Monday. Confluences SMT inside a higher time frame for value gap. So at buy side liquidity, highest time frame, singular for value gap, good momentum, break even at the level 5, and target was the data lows, which will most likely get ran today. But that is Monday's trade, right? We took off half of our position out of 1-to-1, held the rest to final TP there. So we'll move on to Tuesday here. So 8:30, we had news on Tuesday at 8:30. So we'll go to next day open here. Skip over until 9:30. And let's see what 8:30 did here. So 8:30 now. And we got a high here, which we will mark out. Again, a data high, data low is an abnormal wick created from red folder news. So right here, we have our data high. We did make a data low, but it was taken there. So again, we'll do the exact same thing. We'll hop into the higher time frame charts. We'll mark out previous day's high. We will mark out previous day's low. If it will let me. Perfect. Previous day's low. Up into the 4-hour. Hop into the 1-hour here. We are delivering from this 4-hour bullish for value gap, and we have been bullish on the daily here. So let's go see what the hourly did. Line everything up here. Okay, so yeah, we're trading inside that 4-hour bullish for value gap. I want to see what the sessions did to get a daily profile. And looking at London, nothing sponsoring this move lower, so I want to see a London Judas near reversal back to London highs, and also we have our data highs extra couple. But I want to be bullish until London highs here. So bullish daily profile for me here. This 15 getting inverted would be super good. 830 we came us up the sell side level. Yeah, let's check the 5 minute here. No, I was just seeing if we had any unfilled fives, right? Easy targets here. This is definitely not one. So I'll hop into the 1 minute here, and we just gotta see how market opens. Market closing is gonna invert this 1 minute, so hopefully that just doesn't blast us up here. But other than that, we'll kind of just have to see how this plays. Okay, I think a quick and hopefully it makes it easy on us, right? Quick condition here is if this 15-minute holds. There's a lot. There's two. No, there's one here. There's another one stacked like right below it here that hasn't got inverted, hasn't failed, so we still have that one. But let's just hope this holds here, and we can get an inversion back up here. So it'll be really good. Let's make sure ES. Okay, so ES is pumping and Q is dumping. Not correlated to start here. We do have an SMT at the lows here with ES. At these lows, there is an SMT. Okay, see if we're gonna keep dumping here. Okay, we're gonna put in equal highs here. Yeah, so super uncorrelated, not the best conditions to be trading on, especially when they're uncorrelated here. But we're gonna put in these equal highs here. I did not mean to put in that line, but we're gonna put in equal highs here. No inversion to them yet, maybe. Equal highs graphs, the highest time frame. So this is also this unfilled 5. So highest time frame in this leg, unless we manipulate and take out sell side. This unfilled 5 is the one I'll be looking at. If it gets inverted, then I will take it to data highs. If it holds, or we end up sweeping sell side again, I can take the new legs inversion here. The ES is still pumping, still uncorrelated. I don't want to take like 1 minute here. All right, we can see if this plays out because I don't want to take this 1 minute without. I don't want to take this 1 minute without sweep. Even though there is an SMT here. Maybe that's like the only thing that can keep me from taking this, but I'm gonna just wait for I'm just gonna wait for confirmation with this 5 minute getting inverted here. We can forward test this 1 minute. I just would have liked a sweep, especially them being uncorrelated. Not the best, but we can forward test this 1 minute here. Break even at the internal high there, targeting our targets here. I'm actually in a sell position here, but see if this was So highest time frame in this leg is this 1 minute inversion to data highs, London highs, stops at the low, break even at the internal high. Again, this is a forward test because I would have liked to see the sweep. I'll take the 5 minute. I'll actually take the 5 minute if we can get it there. So again, there W discipline because we didn't get that sweep. Right. If someone were to have taken this, then you would just got manipulated out for the liquidity sweep. Now, hopefully, sponsoring us actually higher there. So W discipline for just forward testing that instead of actually taking it there. Again, just wanting more confirmation with the 5. But like if we get an inversion up now this new leg, then I will then I'll still take something. So we still have an SMT at these. Still have an SMT at these lows here, which we'll probably have the entire time since ES wants to continue to pump here. Or I think it's maybe this 4 minute here. Not a 4, not a. Actually, the super tiny 3, right? Yep. So I'll take this 3. I'll take this 3 minute inversion here. as long as I look at the fives. I can look at the fives and the 15s. So we have a 5-minute intermediate term high here as well. It's a nice, good buy side target there. We also have an unfilled 15 to be created soon. So if it happens before then, we also have an unfilled 15 in here. So solid targets here, depending on how this 3-minute wants to close, if it does want to close at all. So let's wait another 3 minutes here. Oh, and it runs away from us here. Super unfortunate. Like if we got it obviously to close, and this would have been a really nice long to the unfilled 15 here. All right, by now you can already be break even and then just continue to hold here. But now we're trading inside. Not trade. We're about to. The unfilled 15 just got created here, so most likely we're just gonna trade right into it on the next candle. Yep. So now we're trading inside an unfilled 15, which is just more unfortunate here. But unfilled 15 and 5-minute intermediate term high both swept. We just couldn't get a good candle close, so we'll keep playing it out here. See if anything pops up, right? Just wanting to be disciplined here. Don't want to take anything crazy. Want to be patient here. There is this 2 minutes. Let's go. This 2-minute closes. Closes in 1 minute. It holds. I was about to say, right? I mean, delivering from this 2-minute. These equal highs. It's above. Maybe still catch something super discounted here, but so far we don't have anything. Yeah. Okay, so this 2-minute closes here. I'll take this 2-minute, right? 10 a.m. right? Starting that 10 a.m. reversal here on the buy side of the curve here. Same targets, right? Stops at the swing low, break even at the equal highs, targeting London highs, and we can just partial on our way up here. So we'll take it here. If we can get good closes, we will TP1 at a 1-to-1 here. So we'll mark it out here. TP1 at a 1-to-1 here. We will TP2 just at these highs, but I'll just mark it out here. We'll TP2 at these highs here, getting close enough to them, and hold the rest. But I will take this 2-minute if it's the highs here. Yep. So 2-minute inversion stops at the swing low. Break even at the equal highs, targeting our initial draw and liquidity here. So break even at the equal highs. 57, 87, 50. Yes, 2-minute inversion, delivering from this 2-minute as well. Just trading this super close to equal highs is really high probability here. Okay. I was about to say, I was like, I hope that build me like right, we hit it. So ended up being in a break-even trade, hitting those equal highs, and just ended up breaking even. So we'll keep playing it out. I still want to catch this long here, being super discounted. It looks like we're just in a bunch of chop here. I don't want to continue to build up lower resistance liquidity lower. That just wouldn't be good here. I kind of just want to break out of this consolidation that we're in here. And I'd probably just wait for another sweep, because I don't know. No, 5. I mean, this 4-minute converted. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to take a rep sweep here. We're just still like this 1-minute inversion, but like we're not delivering from anything. But we swept our lows here. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait here. See if we can get up into this 5-minute. If we can get up and break out of this consolidation, I just don't want to get caught up in chop here. So we're just gonna continue to play it here. See if this 5 minute can end up breaking here. Hop into the 5 minute. If this can break, then. Oh shit! I think it broke by a tick. If it broke by a tick. Oh, it's even. It's literally even. Okay, so we'll play it here. So we filled that on field 5. Hopefully getting this move higher. It is past 11 here, so I will end it off if it doesn't close. I just want to see if we can get a 4 test here. Did it close? Like, not even paying attention. We'll wait until, okay, so I just wanted to see if we were able to get that 5 there. But, so yeah, one trade ended up being break even to equal highs. Hopefully data highs are hit in the PM there, but we'll move on to Wednesday here at 8:30. So yeah, news again at 8:30, which is looking like it didn't do anything. We go to 8:30 here. Yeah, 8:30 didn't do anything. No abnormal wicks, so no data highs or nothing like that. So again, we'll start off the same way we always do. Up onto the daily. We'll mark out our previous stage high, which I can already see we're trading super close to. Previous stage high. Previous stage low. Hop into the 4 hour. Again, very bullish on the daily. Hop into the 4 hour. Still delivering. Oh. This is an unfilled 4 hour. This to be another unfilled 4 hour, but no, this one got tapped into, right? Yeah, so we're delivering for this bullish 4 hour for rally after going to the hourly. And let's see what the overnight sessions did. And again, we're still delivering from this. Also hourly bullish for rally. See what the sessions did. Okay. Okay. So I want to sweep. So bearish daily profile. Nothing sponsoring London's move higher. So I want to see London lows. London lows, Asian lows. We're trading super close to previous stage highs, so hopefully market open we can take those out. We can take out previous stage highs, which is also a significant liquidity pool. That would justify us coming lower here. But I do want to see, I do want to see lower here. So we're gonna fill 15 as well that we can target on our way down. Okay, yeah, that's good here. So hopefully market opens and manipulates us higher into this previous stage high here. But yeah, we've got unfilled and below us at London lows and Asian lows, and we have a lot of low resistance liquidity here, all just to be grabbed here. We have equal lows in the mix here, right here. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Equal lows in the mix here. But yes, bearish daily profile back to London lows and equal lows. London lows and Asian lows here. Yeah, we have a lot of sets. Hopefully market open and doesn't just rip these targets here. This looks really good. Hopefully our model presents itself, because it just looks really obvious here. Yeah, let's go. See what it does. Nice. Hopefully it gives us perfect. Oh, it's not gonna leave behind a 1 minute. Maybe even a 30-second, which we don't have. I know the newer version has, but it's like a really busted new version. I'm just waiting for them to fix it. But so far so good, right? Manipulate is higher, take sweeping previous is highs, which is gonna hopefully sponsor us and move lower. But no inversion. Nope, no inversion yet. If this does end up running, which will be super tragic to the T, guys. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing and how I'm calling out this price and like what I do every single day. It's the exact same thing. And this literally called to a T. If there was a single inversion here, I'm ripping this. If there's a woman inversion here, then it's just super free. If if it does, if the daily profile completes without getting an entry, um, I will just call it at the day here. But all of our targets here, I'll leave the unfilled 15. We'll equal those here. But yeah, guys, to the literal T. So we have an unfilled 15. We're trading inside an unfilled 15. We have this equal those here. I just want to see us trade back higher, back into this premium, so we can actually catch a move here. Didn't create a 5 minutes. That's a super awkward, like doji looking 15-minute. And it's just this more discounted 2-minute, which I definitely don't want to take there. Okay, sweet buy side here. We're gonna leave behind a 3 minutes. Actually, not yet. 1 minute. Okay. We don't, but I can't take this, right? I mean, I can't take this yet, right? Highest time frame in this leg is actually this 2 minutes. So, but there's multiple fair value gaps in the leg, so I can't take this here. Because it wouldn't just be following my rules, right? We take the highest time frame for value gap. What I'm thinking is I can take this break even at the unfilled 2, again still targeting my same draw and liquidity here, and then stops at the high here after running this 2 minutes. But we're just gonna end up forward testing this, right? Sadly, because right, there's 2 fair values in the leg, which is also the highest time frame. So we'll just have to wait. We can break even at this 2-minute intermediate term low. So we're gonna forward test it because I know, right? Yeah, taking this and back testing, I don't want to condition myself to be taking bad trades like this. Everything lines up with the narrative here. So this will just be a 2-minute short off the first inversion higher. Just again, just to make sure, yeah, the first inversion higher, we can break even at the intermediate trend low, targeting the draw here. So we won't take it here, but just break even there. First target hit, all these equal lows here, 1-to-1. Targeting London lows, again, same draw here. And 1-to-1, a TP1 break even there. So not bad at all. And actually put it at the wrong, yeah, this is what it looks like here. TP1, actually almost a TP2 here, right? Full TPs, 1-to-3. 1-to-3 was to reward here. But yeah, you almost got a 1-to-2 here. But first TP, obviously 1-to-1, right? You want to be TPing there. So, but we're able to hit those equal lows. So good trade, or good forward test there. That's what the thing, because I wouldn't want to take it because it's 2-minute inversion here. But good forward test, which allows you to get a TP1 or more and break even here. So we'll keep playing it out here because I still have the draw of these London lows and equal lows here. Maybe we could still snag something here. So obviously no inversion leg in this leg. Hopefully it just doesn't run without giving me another opportunity, which I think it's going to do, sadly. Or not. Is this a super tiny inversion? We're not, it's not an inversion. We're not delivering from anything. So we'll keep playing it out here. This equal lows. Actually might be triple equals or below us there. What's this high? Is it SM2 with ES? This high? This high is, and wait, let me make sure I'm on the, okay, both on the 1 minute. So there's an SMT at this high with ES here. Highest time frame in this leg maybe a 5-minute here. We'll play out one more candle. We can play out another candle. So it's not a 5. It's not. It's this 4-minute inversion. If we can somehow get a good close on this 4-minute inversion, it's just a continuation model lower that I will take if we can get a good close. Coming up on 10:30 here. This 4-minute will not close until 32. Ooh, one more minute, right? Yeah, one more minute. So 4-minute closes here. Dang. I don't that sweep of the low delivery from this rally. You got this reaction here. Do get a 4-minute inversion here. So just another, because there is an SMT at these highs, right? So that can take, I can take replace of that liquidity sweep here. But later into the day, this 1-minute intermediate term low got swept. Delivery from this 1-minute bullish rally. Get that bullish reaction here. So again, we will forward test it. Just something that like doesn't look good. And if you look at like this 4-minute, the 5-minute, right, it looks super choppy here. So definitely, right, inversions could have caught easily based off the buys to the T, played out, but no inversion here. And just a scuffed 2-minute, like 2 stacked 2 minutes that we don't want to be taking there. But again, we can forward test it. Stops the high. We're going to forward test this 4-minute here. And W forward test here. Yeah, just to like we had a 4-minute inversion SD at the highs, but sweeping that intermediate term low, which is also a draw, and then that bullish reaction higher here. So play out the rest of 11, and we'll maybe pump here. So we do have this unfilled 5. And I think this is a lot of sauce dropped from Monday to Wednesday here. I don't want to keep the videos kind of semi-short, but I do want to like fill it with a lot of knowledge that you guys can take from and learn from here. So we might just end it off on a Wednesday. I think a lot of knowledge dropped, especially on this Wednesday when it comes to bias. So we have this one for 5-minute here. Highest time frame is this 3 minutes, but right into a 5. Just really scuffed in general here. We do have a new leg here. So we've swept buy side liquidity. We have this unfilled 5. We're inside the 1050 macro here. We did create a new leg up here. So this 1-minute gets inversed with a good close. Then I will take a short. Oh gosh, yeah. Since we reswept buy side liquidity right here, creating a new leg, which is creating a new possibilities with inversions here, right? This being this 1-minute, right? Highest time frame in this leg. So if we gotta go close in this 1-minute, I would have just taken it to the unfilled 5, break even at the unfilled 5, and then hold lower. And it just didn't give me an entry, just straight dumped here. So that being Wednesday, I think I'm just gonna call it here, right? I think a lot of sauce dropped Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, especially on Wednesday here. But again, just taking the really like A+ trades here, not wanting to force anything just because I haven't taken anything, and just want to follow my rules here, right? Definitely could have banked off 2 of those entries there, or 1 of those entries here on Wednesday. Obviously, that 2-minute wouldn't be following my rules, but it ended up playing out here. So some good forward tests there, some good forward tests when it comes to like discipline here, not actually going into the trade because it wouldn't be A+ here. But a lot of low resistance liquidity here, probably to get ran. I'm actually just gonna spam here for this last things here because that might be a potential short like in the PM here, but looks like lunch is just consolidating. So actually still a really nice potential short like in the PM here, but I don't backtest the PM too much like that. But yeah, I think a lot of stuff's there, so we'll call it there. We ended up getting one good win, I believe. These are the analytics. 90 to 29, 75% win rate here. The account is up I start the accounts up from 50K, so the accounts up 9,000, almost 10,000. And I think I have to switch it to profit here. Yeah, only took one trade here, and remember that's when I took my TP1 for 259. So up 259, right, from the 3 days that we back tested, but I did end up on the forward tests, right, um, making more. But I like forward testing just because if something's not A plus, and you would be angry if you took it on a live account and it lost, then why take it in the first place? But a lot of sauce here. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be dropping another one next week, and I will do recording my live trades come on Monday, like I always do. Be posting more there. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. Peace.